at Couture, we are dedicated to manufacturing quality parts with award-winning style and durability. That's why we offer high-quality polyurethane products that are created to exact specifications. It's what makes Couture one of the most sought-after brands today. Couture products are offered exclusively in polyurethane, making our Aerodynamics virtually unbreakable. Due to its incredible flexibility, polyurethane allows for easy installation and a long service life. Couture products also offer a hardware kit, general installation guide, and unique diamond-cut black mesh grill where applicable. Our diamond-cut mesh grill is manufactured to meet the same exacting standards of quality and durability as all Couture products. Whether you're looking to set the trends on the street or just maximize your vehicle's real-world durability, Couture allows quality and design to be taken to the next level. It's not just about making your vehicle look good, it's about keeping it that way for a long time to come.